ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata bayakan ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy
dan wa iin dan wa susuyan
Pila pan arti tiani nga hindi kajing ik jongai phi kanam kala
Arpsan District Library joy kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba sanbat ka ba news poa trang kerkhui vi ngin sai kendo komplisibun amen
Nongyalam ka BJP Meghalaya uba AL hek hak arpoi trik naitung ula ong bakila don hado palat khandai ngut ki balapan tiket banya khun yak election shiteng samoy jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha ka bansalong shen uba hek uba deiru UMLA ka penthor umkhra ula ong kani kala wanlong hadien baka party kala khat application nakabenta ki kertong ki bakwa banya khun yak kani election hak bakila yo pediang hado palat khandai ki kerteng Ula ong bayai kini ki kerteng ladapan pha shikinongelam ka party sa Delhi da president ka BJP Meghalaya Union. Habakali lano ka BJP kan penbena ya ukertong jongka uba hek ula ong kumba kalong menta kinongelam ka BJP ha Delhi kidang bun kam ha kabaya day ber kajing pen klan ki jing trekam jongka seng. Kidang don shibun ki kam kiba ki day ban pendap ha Delhi bat hadin bala pendap yakini kin sa ajing tip hakapor kababiang hakabaya day bat ukertong nakabentak Shillong seat ula benram
ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata bayakan ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy
dan wa iin dan wa susuyan
Pila pan arti tiani nga hindi kajing ik jongai phi kanam kala
Arpsan District Library joy kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba sanbat ka ba news poa trang kerkhui vi ngin sai kendo komplisibun amen
From the Meghalaya BJP State Unit, we have been asking the application also from all the interested candidates. So far, we have got, I think, more than 9 candidates who are already submitted their applications for us, the aspirants of the Shillong parliamentary by-election. So we will be filtering it this one you and also already I think had said if I'm not mistaken the respected president of the BJP already sent I think to national BJP leaders to look after this the by-elections of parliamentary seat of Shillong. This one center they have so many things now, even the national office bearers and executive also they have not been executed. So they have so many work, they will look after all the work, then only in the very appropriate time only they will take the decision.